Okay, we got Emilio Daez.
So bro.
Emilio. Kai Montinola. With fans here. Hi, Kai. We got Harvey Bautista. Hi, Harvs. Is Harvs here? Okay, hi, Harvs. Okay, there's Sir Raymond Bagaching. I have to say, I love what you're wearing, Sir Raymond. You have to know, I have high standards, ha? Ang ganda ng kasuotan niya, Sir Raymond. Okay, Sir Joel Torres in the house. Sir JP Uno. We got Miss Janice de Belen. Okay. Very beautiful. Miss Lorna Tolentino is in the house as well. Good evening, Miss LT. So beautiful. May Entrada. Of course, ang pagbabalik serye ni May. Okay, and of course we got the leading man of our series, the Stars of Roja, Kyle Echari and Donnie Pangilinan. Good evening, everyone. Before we get started, maybe a quick rundown of highs and lows for everyone right here. Okay, let's start with you, Direk. Sige.
Hi, good evening. Salamat sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta sa amin.
Thank you, thank you. Medyo nililito lang po ako, Direk, kung sino si Uno talaga eh. Either si Sir Joe Torre or Direk. Sorry. Sir Nathan, you want to say hi? Can we give him a mic over there? Okay.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and for spending your Friday night with us. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of Roja kanina.
Sneak peek? Nabitin kami. Okay. Emilio!
Hello sa lahat ng mga kapamilya. Maraming salamat sa suporta po sa Roja. Sana po na-enjoy nyo. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, Emilio. Kai?
Same din naman po. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung sneak peek pa lang yun. So, sana panoorin niyo po. Thank you so much.
Is this Kai's first serie after MMK? We have a question regarding that later on. But before we move on to the other cast members, this is what we watched earlier sa mga nagtatanong online. We had the world premiere, the red carpet premiere of Roja, kanina lang. First 3 episodes lang po ba yung napanood?
Yes, 3 episodes pa lang.
3 episodes pa lang.
Puro exposition pa lang to, establishing ng relationship, syempre ng character.
Nakakabitin, grabe. Kaya abangan niyo po in 2 weeks, mapapanood po natin. Starting November 21 on Netflix,
Yes,
Roja.
Netflix.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Harvey.
Hello, ayun po, thank you for coming. I hope you guys enjoyed yung sneak peek ng first 3 episodes ng Roja. And syempre, like, yung sinabi ni Kai, mas marami pang mangyayari sa show, so please abangan.
Thanks, Harvs. Mr. Roja, Sir Raymond.
Opo, maraming pong salamat. Nandito kayo kasama namin na ma-experience first hand sa screen ng Roja ang pinaghirapan po ng bawat isa sa amin. And we're very proud to be together as co-workers, co-actors, and also family. Salamat po for joining.
It seems like it's a happy bunch, you know, David said.
Oh, you have no idea.
Oh my God. Sir, I think I do. Ang dami kong naririnig na kwento patungkol doon. And the happiness, the enjoyment is led by this person whom I'm about to call, Sir Joel Torre. Sir Joel.
Mr. Happiness.
Mr. Happiness.
Thank you very much for coming. Sabi nga ng director, 3 kinds of editing. One is for the cinema, meron for the TV, and there's one for Netflix. So you'll find out a lot more about Roja. And about the happiness, syempre, happy kami because we work so hard, but then we party harder.
Yan! I think we need to make the making of Roja after. The aftermath, di ba? Masaya yan.
Ibang behind the scene.
Miss Janice.
It's nice to see familiar faces, and thank you for being here.
Thank you, Miss LT.
Maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo sa Roja, for taking your time, of course, para mapanood. And sana ho, nag-enjoy kayo at patuloy niyo itong panoorin pa hanggang matapos. Maraming salamat.
Umpisa pa lang, ang daming twists. Kaagad-agad, di ba? How about you, Pre? Pre. Gusto mong mag-hi, Pre?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po gusto ko lang pong pasalamat. Buong pamilya ko po nandito ngayon, lalo na yung lola ko.
dito. So nandito po sila. At gusto ko na din po pasalamat sa lahat ng boss po namin sa ABS-CBN. At sa My Loves na nandito po. At sa lahat po ng mga press and media po para supportahan po ang aming show. Maraming salamat po.
Welcome back to the acting world.
Thank you po, Kuya Roby.
Now let's have the stars of Roja Echari Papi. Mr. Tony Ferrer.
Tony Montana kasi.
Tony Montana, okay. Kulang na lang puting pantalon eh.
Okay.
Malolo ka na ni doon.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Matanong ko lang po, ako lang po ba nabitin dito sa napanood natin? Nabitin?
Lahat!
Yes, marami pa po kayong aabangan. Sa totoo lang, nung pinapanood namin ni Donnie, sabi, oo nga pala, nakunan natin yun, no? Uy, nangyari pala yun, no? Marami pa talaga mangyayari. So, hopefully, subaybayan niyo po kami. We have a lot more episodes to come. That's only 3. And yeah, super excited for you guys to see what else we worked on. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat for saying yes to this big project. And of course, Sir Tony Pangilinan.
First of all, Kuya Robs, maraming salamat
Thank
sa
you, Kuya Robby.
Alam mo, nagiging legit na tong press ko tsaka media ko na to kasi Robby Domingo nag-host. So maraming I just want to say thank you to everyone here. It's really a huge opportunity and blessing for everyone here. Kasi nakita naman natin kung gaano kalaki yung production na to. And like Tito Joel said, we've worked really hard for you guys to see what you have now in front of you. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng press. Sobrang laki pa ng tulong ninyo. And of course, our supporters over here. Thank you guys so much. You know, at the end of the day, it's also about our audience, right? So, narinig namin nag-enjoy kayo, malaking tulong po para sa amin yun. And yeah, I'm just so excited to see more of what Roja has to offer. Honestly, this is the first time we've all watched it together. And I really am glad that we got to cherish this moment. And sobrang excited din ako na makita yung next episodes.
More moments to cherish for sure. Lalong-lalo inaabangan natin ng mga behind the scenes, care of Sir Joel Torre. Pero, now, we would love to get to know some of the details that happened in the making of Roja. And our friends from the media have passed their questions to you guys, and we shall start off with the question and answer. Parang beauty pageant. Okay, Sir Alan Sangkon from Stars Photog, I think he's here. Hi, Kuya Alan. He has a question for Donnie and Kyle, and his question goes, how do you prepare for your action scenes here? So far, ano ba yung pinakamatinding challenges you encounter doing this action teleserye?
How do we prepare? Well, una sa lahat, I just want to say thank you, of course. We keep saying thank you again, but to Coach Erwin Tate, napakagaling niya. He's really an actor's coach. He really helped us out throughout this whole process. We didn't have as much time as we wanted pagdating sa training, pero masaya kami dahil tinulungan niya kami. He was there throughout the whole process. I feel like we were, towards your question po na how did we prepare, marami po kami mga training days. We had a lot of training and it didn't stop just sa studio niya. It also happened on set. May mga rest days po kami pero kailangan pa rin mag-training sa mga araw na yun. And I think more than anything, it was really ang pinaka-importante para sa amin was to mentally and physically prepare ourselves for this whole challenge, which was Roja.
So aside from the martial arts, yung jiu-jitsu, na training, tsaka our knees, or yung holding of a gun and how to fire it, one of the most challenging things for me was really the endurance. And being sure that I was ready to go through those scenes over and over again. Kasi ilang takes yan, ilang angulo. First time ko gawin din to eh. I think Kyle has some action scenes already na sinunod niya before. Pero ako kasi, first time ko talaga na gumawa ng serye na yun talaga yung focus. So, I really had to make sure na my body was prepared and it really took a lot. Kasi hindi biro yung minsan makakall ka tapos di mo alam ganun pala kalaki yung action scene. So, you really have to make sure that you're not running out of breath and you're ready for the next scene. Tsaka yun, kasi katulad ng sinabi ni Direk, si Direk Raymond kanina na palaging tension yung hinahanap.
And prone to injury.
Prone to injury. Marami rin kaming naging maliliit na battle scars dito in a good way. Kasi part talaga ng characters namin.
Yeah, just for the audience to know, no? Direct, wala pong stunt double dito. Wala. Sila mismo talaga gumagawa ng mga...
Meron naman
may mga parts lang na...
Si Iggy Boy daw eh. May kailangan, is Iggy Boy here rin? Oh, dumiretso sa party si Iggy Boy. Okay.
90% sila yung nagpa-perform talaga. And kung may stunts man, special shot.
Super
Like,
special.
For example, yung mga drone shots na hindi na makailangan ng artista talaga. So, better double.
Grabe yung effort na ginagawa nila. And I have to say, ang ganda ng Dreamscape synergy. We have seen the mentoring with Sir Coco Martin and also Jake Cuenca. Ang galing ng mentoring. Now, he has a question, si Sir Alan, for Mai. The question is, this is your comeback acting project. Okay, congratulations, Mai. Saan ka pinaka-excited sa paggawa ng action teleserye na ito? And memorable experiences behind the scenes mo sa paggawa nito?
Sobrang, ano yung pinaka-excited? Pinaka-excited po talaga ako yung mga action scenes po. Kasi sobrang fan talaga ako ng mga action movies at matagal ko na po talagang pinapangarap yung action po na role. Kaya po yung enough po na time to learn po my craft po sa acting ay sobrang perfect timing po kasi nung binigay po nila sa akin ito, feel ko talaga ito yung handa ako talaga na may apply ko pa rin natutunan ko po sa acting. At ang binigay pa sa akin, thank you po Dreamscape, Netflix at ABS-CBN kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang pinapangarap. Kaya thank you sa oportunidad nito. Sana po ay abangan niyo po ang aking mga action skills. Yee! Oh, okay. Friend, relax. Kasi hindi po pinapakita. Pero, the best.
Okay. Ang dami naman nakuha doon, Maymay. Maraming salamat, pre.
Thank you, pre.
But congratulations, dreams do come true.
Yes,
and
po.
thank you for saying yes to this project as well.
Ako naman. Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Mai. Questions from social media directed now to Miss LT. May scene ka dito na sinasanabunutan at sinasampal siya si Presuman. How was doing that scene with her and kamusta na makatrabaho siya ulit?
Hindi, actually sila nag-request na totohanin.
Si Yasi po?
Yeah, si Yasi nag-request. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita, please, matawag nga sa akin. Please, talaga saktan mo ako.
Wow!
Hindi, ayaw niya sabihin kasi,
Hindi ako nag-request.
syempre humble si...
Hindi ako nag-request.
Siya ang nag-request.
Ako hindi nag-request.
Hindi ka nag-request.
Pero damay sa hindi sinabi. Nasaktan tuloy. Pero at least nakuha yung totoong emosyon. Yeah, but last time you worked with Yasi was?
Ang
Provinciano, yes. Ito ang pabalik, Dreamscape, ang galing. Miss Janice de Belen, nakwento ni Kyle sa isang interview kung gaano kayo naging close in shooting this series or taping this series. Kamusta yung bond nyo ngayon and how is it working with him?
Actually, initially, I was scared because Kyle is 22. Mali ba niya kung sino ako? Naman niya ako kilala.
Everyone knows who you are.
I see him in parties and he's always nice enough to greet me. Pero syempre, when you're working together, iba eh. I didn't know if I would connect to him. I didn't know if I would have to make so much effort just to be able to connect to him. Kasi yung relationship namin dito, syempre, dapat close. Dapat may, yung super close. So, yun yung initial fear ko, but in fairness to him, he was the one who really made an effort.
Kita ramdam siya. Kita ramdam na siya.
Oo, diba? Tsaka parang baby ko na to. So, pagka umaga, pag nakikita ko yan, kiss. Kiss.
Automatic na.
Oo, mapagbigay naman.
So cute. Hanggang ngayon, nag-translate, oh. Ang cute. Baby. Thank you for answering that question, Ms. Janice. JL Certified Kapamilya asks Sir Joel Torre, muli niyo pong makatrabaho si Kylie Chai sa isang teleserye. Sa Kapamilya React ay na-share po niya yung experience niya working with you with a crying scene. Ito ang sinabi ni Kyle. And I quote, grabe naman tong question na to. Sobra akong kinilig noong araw na yun kasi sinabihan ako ni Tito Joel pagkatapos ng eksena, ang galing naman pala ni Moises eh. Ang galing pala ng anak ko eh. Simula noon, Tito Joel always makes sure that I know what he's proud of me. Can you share with us kung ano po yung nakita nyo kay Kyle bilang aktor at ano po yung sa tingin nyo ang kaya pa niyang i-accomplish? Mang MMK pala yung question na ito.
Kaya nga eh. Baka iiyak ako dito.
Kaya nga.
The seriousness of the thing, ang focus niya, tsaka yung commitment, no? It's all about commitment and the consistency. Sabi ko nga kay Kyle, hindi to sprint dun sa Pamilya Sagrado. We're running a marathon. We're doing a teleserye, hindi yung pangmadalian lang. We were on for 6 months, was it though? So tuloy-tuloy, so wag kang bibitaw. And he did. And he won the Best Actor. And it had nothing to do with it. But we worked hard together. And dito, medyo wala kaming masyadong eksena. But I could see these guys, they're very serious about it. Which I really like among the young actors who had the same attitude, the same sa trabaho. So it's very promising na we're leaving it to the next generation. Kami medyo parelax-relax na lang eh. I thought mag-relax nga ako dito sa Roha kasi akala ko nasa na kami sa resort, sa beach, tatay, wala may PTSD ako. So ang trabaho talaga. But we love our job and so do they. So yan ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Mahalin mo trabaho mo, sabi nga ni Vic Sanayan, mahalin mo trabaho mo, Joel, love your work and your work will love you back. And it translates on screen. Thank you.
Thank you. Everyone's professional. Kyle, you wanna say something?
Sobrang natouch naman ako doon. Gulat ako, 2 tanong pa yung tungkol sa akin.
Kaya nga birthday mo ba?
Kaya nga Hindi, dito Joel has been someone na talagang hinahangaan ko dito sa industriya na ito. One of the most giving, not just actors, but people you will ever meet in your life. Sorry. But, gutom ka na. Gutom na ba ako? Sobrang hanga ako kay Tito Joel because, he's one of the greatest actors in the Philippines. We can all agree to that. Oro Plata Mata pa lang, di ba? Alam na natin. Tito Joel Torre na yan. And for him to say yes to a project like this, be able to teach us in the process and be honest with everything that he's felt towards us, talagang nagpapasalamat lang kami. We just love to learn from him. He's a pioneer for what he does. And sobrang thank you, Tay. I love you so much. Ano mo yan?
Actually, you guys are so lucky you got icons in this cast. Grabe, napakahusay ng mga aktor at actress na kasama dito sa Roha and even in the world of La Playa Roja. Ang galing. Thank you so much to all of our actors and actresses. Now, let's head on to Sir Raymond Bagatsing. With this question, tell us about your dynamics with Lorna and Donnie since family mo sila in the series. How is it working alongside respected veterans such as yourself, LT, Janice, and Joel?
Oh, it's a great honor for me to be working with them, all of them. It's a given, Janice, Joel, it's Miss LT. They're greats in the industry, as Kyle said. The honor is deep, really deep. I mean, actually, while nasa shooting kami, pag ako nakabalik na sa hotel ko, I'm watching their movies. Sa YouTube, I watch your movies, and Joel Torre's movie, I watch Oro Plata Mata. I checked out Donnie's work, I checked out Kyle's work. I actually checked out almost every cast work. Kasi nung umpisa, I have no time to really bond with them. Kasi nasa character ko eh. And I'm like, ang daming cast. 40, how will I get to know them? So I watched each and every scene. I would tell Harvey, hey Harvey, I watched one of your scenes and I really enjoyed their intensity and all that. And I even know most of their birthdays for some reason. So yes, I checked them out in Google. Oh, yung birthday niya ganito. Oh, Sagittarius siya.
Baka mag-expect yung cast members niyo pag birthday nila. Wala kayong regalo.
Bigla ko nakalimutan.
Nasabi niya yan.
Ano nga pala yung birthday niyo? Yeah, but I'm really very honored. Yung dynamics, I want to talk about dynamics with Lorna because pinanonood ko siya and I'm like, grabe itong actress na to. Very truthful. She did a movie, hindi ko lang maalala yung pangalan, pero hindi siya masyadong sasalita. Makapal pa yung kilay niya nun. Pero cute, maganda siya. At maganda talaga siya. At sobrang hindi siya nagsasalita. ang lakas ng gusto niyang ipahiwatig. So I was blown away. I'm like, oh my God, I have to take this away from my mind para lang makapag-eksena ako sa kanila ng maayos. Same with Janice. You know, Janice is such a legend also. And Joel, you know, actually I won an award from a scene with Joel with Marilu Diaz-Abaya, and I give it to Joel for that scene. It's very quiet, but he looked at me and he said, let's do this scene, and it worked, and we were both crying. So I know I'm taking so much time, but I'm in awe of all of them. And then Donnie and Kyle, of course, at first, syempre naiilang sila sa akin. I have that tendency na when I'm in a set, medyo hindi ako makapaglaro with others hanggang hindi ko nakukuha yung character ko, hindi ko naiintindihan. So alam ko, nakatingin na sila sa akin, medyo seryoso to, seryoso. But at the same time, I like it kasi nakita nila talaga yung character na meet nila, hindi nila ako nami-meet. Kundi ba kaya magtawa na lang kami pag nakilala nila ako ng gusto eh. You know? So, I'm trying to keep my personal self away kasi baka matuwa na sila ng matuwa, di ba? But I saw in their eyes, I know, please, you know, indulge me, ang lalalim nila, ang lalalim ng pakiramdam nila, ang lalalim ng, with the word, yung pag-arok nila sa mga emosyon. Si Donnie is, he stays in his corner, and he really feels everything. I can feel him, he can feel me. And sa akin, ang habol ko, mag-connect na tayo sa mata. Magkakilala tayo sa mata kaya sa true character. I'll get to know you, you'll get to know me. And si Kyle, ganun din, malalim din tumingin and observe. And I'm very happy to see that kind of connection. I'm obsessed with that kind of connection. So I'm honored to be here with everybody. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Actually, it sets the tone. Taking your personality out of the scene first para malagay mo yung character mo. Para pagdating doon, everyone's prepped up, no? But yes, talking about, you know,
as I think Donnie mentioned that sometimes dahil kami lang dun sa bubble, talaga nagiging method actors na talaga. Pumapasok na lahat dun sa characters. Often on screen, you know.
But it's so hard to, you know, meet someone eye to eye. Because looking at the series, nakita lang yung mata ni Donnie tsaka ni Kyle, may buong episode na nagawa, may backstory na. Ang dami na naloka. Isang tingin na, no? 6 years na flashback na pala yun. Ang dami na nakuha, napakahusay na pagtingin na eye to eye. Kaya, I really get your point. So, pag nakita kayo eye to eye, medyo mahirap eh. Kasi ang dami bumabalik na mga memories and feelings and all. That's right. Okay.